Alright, for this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create lighting focus areas for area lighting. Many lighting designers prefer to work in an area by area fashion, particularly for uniform systems of light. So as you begin to develop schematics that indicate the relative direction of each light, you'll discover a pattern for accounting for light in each area that has similar characteristics. To get us started, we're going to create a new layer, and we're going to call it Areas. We'll place it above the scenery layer and we'll make it the active layer. We're going to create a new class also. This class is called Drafting Aids. And we're going to adjust the attributes here to show no fill and a thin red line. Okay. Now, grab the rectangle tool and draw an 8-foot square. You can do that by tabbing into the floating bar, and we'll enter 8 feet into the X field, and then we'll constrain the angle to 8 feet by 8 by holding down the Shift key and hitting Tab. You could also do that by putting 8 feet into the Y field as well. Click to place the rectangle. Make sure the rectangle is assigned to the Drafting Aids class. So there it is selected. I'm going to assign it to Drafting Aids. Okay. And it should now have thin red lines around the perimeter of the square. We're going to move the square so that it aligns with the down rightmost corner of the stage. Now, we'll use the duplicate array command, which is in the edit menu, duplicate array, to create the other lighting areas. We'll specify 5 columns, 4 rows. Distance between the columns 8 feet, distance between the rows 8 feet. We'll leave the original object retained and we'll leave it selected. Click OK to place the duplicates. And now you have a grid of 20 evenly spaced and sized duplicates. You may find, according to where you were placed, that you need to move the rectangles to fit the space so that the center of the column of areas aligns with the center line of the theater here. The easiest way to do that is to make a group of all the selected rectangles. Using the keystroke Command G on a Mac or Control G on a PC, or you can select Group from the Modify menu. In the same layer, we'll grab the Focus Point tool from the Spotlight tool set. I'm going to hover over the center of the down left rectangle until the object center hint appears. I'm going to click on the center of the rectangle to place the focus point. In the dialog box, we'll give the area the label A is the default and click OK. Then I'm going to move towards stage right, clicking on the center of each rectangle to create each new area. You'll notice that the tool automatically gives you the next available letter in the alphabet. When you finish the first row, go ahead and move up stage, and starting again, you can work again at stage left and work your way across each of the areas. I'll repeat the same for each row. And then we're complete.